Good morning, children. The lesson, the thief's story is going on. Perhaps you have read the lesson many times. I think you understand this lesson. This story has been written by Ruskin Bond. The thief's story is more than a thief's story. The story deals with basic human values and relationships. It is easier for a thief to rob a greedy man. It is difficult even for a thief to rob a careless and honest person. Hari Singh did steal Anil's money, but he could not run away from it with it. He had no friends because he regarded them to be trouble than help. The only person he really knew was the man he had robbed. Moreover, Anil was ready to educate Hari Singh. The thief's conscience pricked him. He came back to Anil and crept to his bed. He slipped the money under the mattress from where he had stolen it a few hours ago. Dear children, you know, Hari Singh was a young boy of 15, but he was a thief and a cheat. At a wrestling match, he came across Anil. He won Anil's confidence and came to his house as a servant. Anil was a writer and did not earn much. So Hari Singh agreed to work for him only for food. Hari Singh did not know how to cook. The first meal which he cooked for Anil was so bad that Anil threw it to the dogs. But Hari's appealing smile made Anil give up his decision to turn him out. Hari Singh did do jobs for Anil. In the morning, he made tea and then brought the day's supplies from the market. Often, he made a profit of a rupee a day out of these purchases. Anil had no regular income. He earned something by writing articles and stories for magazines. But one day Anil came home with a bundle of notes. He told Hari that he had earned 600 rupees by selling one of his books. Hari's mouth watered at the sight of money. He decided to steal that money. Anil kept the bundle under his mattress and went to sleep. Now Hari Singh went into the room and silently took the money under the mattress. He went to the railway station to catch the train to Lucknow, but he missed the train and walked in the bazaar. Soon it started raining and Hari was drenched completely. Then Hari Singh remembered Anil. He imagined how sad Anil would be On finding the money stolen, Hari remembered that Anil used to teach him. He thought that without the education, he would remain a thief, but education might make him a big man. So he decided to return and replace the money. He reached home and silently put the money back under the mattress. Dear children, now time has come to discuss the questions. So on this page, you see three questions. First is, who does I refer to in this story? I refers to the narrator or author or the thief or Hari Singh. Second question, what is he a fairly successful hand at? He is a fairly successful hand at stealing things. Okay. Question 3. What does he get from Anil in return for his work? He gets from Anil in return for his work a place to sleep and food to eat. You can say he earned 1 rupees when he purchased things from market. So I think you understand this question. Now questions which have been given on page number 10. Already 3 questions are there. How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? The thief thinks that Anil would be sad when he would discover the theft. Okay. Question number 2. What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? You can remember, a greedy man shows fear, a rich man shows anger, and a poor man shows acceptance. Question 3. Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Yes. Anil realizes that he has been robbed because he has a large heart who does not give importance to money. See these 2 questions on page number 13. Think about it. Question number 1. What are Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? Hint. Compare, for example, the thought, I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. With these latter thoughts, whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. What makes him return to Anil? This is the question. Harik Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education brings a change of heart in him. This is very important in this lesson. In the beginning, he thought only about theft of only rupees 600. Later, he realizes that education makes a man a big man, a clever man, and a respected man. That is why he returns the money of Anil. Is it clear to you? Next, question number 2. Why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employers? Remember, this question had been asked in board examination last year. This is very important question. Anil does not hand the thief over to the police because he is a large-hearted man. He thinks that if he gives the thief to the police, he may become a criminal. He decides to reform the thief by showing kindness and sympathy. Most people could not do so like Anil. They could have handed over such person to the police. Anil is different because he decides to reform the thief by kindness and sympathy. I hope he will write the answers of these questions. So you try to write all the answers in your copy. Thank you.